Welcome to Polyglot Pages. On this channel, we learn Spanish through engaging stories. Let me tell you how it works. We narrate stories in two languages, switching back and forth between Spanish and English. We take long sentences, break them into smaller pieces, translate every single detail, and then put them back together. This way, as you pick up the most commonly used everyday Spanish words and phrases, you also understand how the language works without even trying. By the way, I'm Arda, hello, the creator of the channel and this language learning method. I think I can call myself a polyglot because I speak 5 languages: English, Spanish, Italian, German, and Turkish. This is the first time that I show myself on the channel, and I wanted to do this because I want you to know that this is not just another AI-generated channel. We are real people, we use our own voices, and we write our own content. We do use AI as well, but that's just about 25% of the work that we put into the channel. I work with bilingual voiceover artists and translators, so there is a teamwork behind all of this. Now you know a little bit about our channel. Shall we get started? Today's story is called Chronicles of a Time-Traveling Scientist.